Hi, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to show you how to make pizza dough, and if you like what you see, just click that like button and subscribe. In our house, we like thin crust pizza as opposed to thick crust. So in our experience, this recipe is good for 3 portions of thin crust pizza. So now we're going to add our yeast to our lukewarm water, and remember, the water should not be any hotter than 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Set aside the yeast to activate, and in a mixing bowl with 2 cups of white flour, we're going to add our olive oil, our salt, and our sugar. So after about 5 minutes, the yeast should have activated, and you'll see it's activated if there's that layer of foam on top of the water. So we're just going to add that to our flour mixture and put it into our stand mixer, or you can mix it by hand. We use the hook attachment on our KitchenAid. And we'll just go ahead and turn it on a low setting and allow it to knead for approximately 5 minutes or until a soft dough is formed. So once your dough is ready, you'll put it into a greased bowl. So this bowl is greased with olive oil. I'll just form it into a ball, place it in the bowl, and cover it with a hot, damp cloth for about an hour until the dough doubles in size. So go ahead and check out this video of how we made our pizza. Otherwise, just follow your recipe's instructions and enjoy making your pizza. Thank you again for subscribing and liking this video.